Let's take new exercise in SolidWorks. This is steam rack. It is mainly used a kind of kitchen utensils. So this is a wire frame. Okay, all dimensions are in millimeter. Wire diameter 3.5 and 3 mm for educational purpose. Okay, now we are going to start from outside. See the outer diameter, you will observe 200 millimeter, and this outer wire diameter 3.5. But this wire shape you will observe something like this. At bottom you will see in there are three number of patterns, 40, 40, and the corner radius are 7, and three number of patterns like this. So let's try to start. I'm going to use top plane, sketch, activate circle, and draw a circle with origin, smart dimension 200 millimeter. Now for frame, I am going to create one structure, extruded boss base. Here I am going to choose start condition, keep same. Now depth 60, I am going to keep more than this, downward side, thin feature. Let's add 10 millimeter, make it inside. Outer diameter I am going to keep 200 millimeter. Okay. Now let me uncheck front plane sketch, activate line tool, and draw one triangle, something like this. And draw, connect from here to this. Now select this line, make construction line, again select vertical. This is the important dimension. Okay, activate here sketch fillet. Radius shows 7 millimeter, so I am going to select this. Okay, cancel. Now activate smart dimension. Now define this distance 40 millimeter. Look, it seems fully. Now let me define constraint symmetric. Okay, again smart dimension. Now distance from here, hold shift key and take distance from outside edge 40. Okay, now go to feature and activate extruded cut feature, and here keep end condition all through all, and see this is going to cut one side. Okay, now I want three number of features, so go to circular pattern. Now feature, I am going to select this. Now here direction, I am going to select the circular face. Equal spacing 360, because this is a complete 360 pattern. Three number of instances or pattern we like. Okay. Now you will observe this corner fillet all are 10. So I am going to choose fillet. Constant type fillet 10 millimeter symmetric, and here I am going to select one edge. It will show you this option, so choose second option. So you don't need to choose this all corner, simply say OK. Now go to shift boss base, choose circular profile, here keep diameter 3.5. Now I am going to select this outer edge. See, you have to choose one by one all the edges, so better to do one thing, clear, right click, selection manager. Now select one outer edge. At bottom, at end, you will see this arrow. Click this arrow and see it will select all tangent edges. Here say OK. Now go to option. Now here unmerge result. If you merge result, it will be merge with this and it will create one body. I want to delete this body, so that's why I am going to keep unmerge result. Now here tangent faces you can keep. This all wire should have a tangent faces to each other. Now you will observe here two body. Later I am going to delete this body. Okay. Now let's create this ring. V 60, center diameter R8, R10, sorry. And you will see at here this is going to inside, so on same plane we are going to create. And this diameter how much? Okay, 3. This wire diameter 3. Okay. Now select top plane, sketch. Now let me draw one circle. For construction, smart dimension 120, 200. Line. Now connect from here to here. Okay. Now for symmetric purpose, I want to make from midpoint to here. Now select these two lines, hold shift key, select the center one, and you will see this option. So make symmetric pattern. This is important so that 60. Fillet. Now here radius I am going to keep 10. Select this end. Okay, and cancel. See, now simply cancel. Go to feature and activate Swift Boss Base. Now here choose circular profile. Now here diameter 3. Just keep something like this. Clear view. Unmerge result. Okay. Show preview. Okay. Now we have here more than, there are total 3 results. Now you will see there are ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ring, and the gap between ring 12 millimeter. See, very distance 12 millimeter. So these 6 rings we have to create. This first ring diameter 60, and the gap between two ring 12 millimeter. Okay, and these rings actually, if you see, okay, these rings are 3 diameter 3 millimeter, and this is above 3 millimeter to the face of this. Okay, we will see how we can do this with top plane. Even though you can observe here, see 3 millimeter. Okay, from this top plane, this is 3 millimeter above. You will see this is the gap between two rings, 3 millimeter. Now I am going to choose top plane, sketch, circle. Okay. Temporary axis. Now here apply dot and place at this point. Smart dimension. Okay, because these dimensions we are going to use for a linear pattern. Okay, that's why I'm going to choose like this. Now simply end, go to feature, Swift Boss Base. Now here choose circular profile. Now here path 3 millimeter and select this line. You will see the preview. Say okay. Okay, let me do one thing. Options, unmerge result, linear pattern. Now for direction, I'm going to choose this. See, spacing n instances. Okay, now we need the gap 12 and number of rings, 6 number of rings I want. Now, okay, clear and go to body, and here choose this. Now here make very full preview. Okay, let's go to feature and choose this one. Okay, fine, feature and faces. Now just note down these all. Here you must choose very sketch. Okay, look. Now let's do one thing. These are 3 millimeter above. So now let me do one thing. Let's move this upside. So I'm going to direct editing, move. Now here keep translate. Now here copy. Now select these all rings. These total 6 ring. Move direction Y. See, this is direction Y. Direction Y, here choose 3 millimeter and click somewhere. See, this is going to move 3 millimeter upside. Don't check copy, otherwise you will have 2 copies. Okay. Now this is move from top. Okay. Circular pattern. Now I'm going to choose this face. Equal spacing 60 degree and 3 number of patterns. Now I'm going to choose bodies. Select this. Say okay. Now you will see. Now at center, you will see inside view 3 millimeter thick, 35 diameter here 35. You will see the position. This is just parallel to this upper wire. Now I am going to choose top plane, sketch, circle, and make this diameter 35. Let's extrude this. 3 millimeter, but this is 1.5 millimeter above this. So here choose offset 1.5. You will see the gap. Now this is comes along with this ring. Unmerged result, okay. Direct editing, delete body, select this one, okay. Now here we have, now these all are the ring, we need to weld this ring, okay. So I am going to keep this one as it is. Color, let me guess. Okay. That's it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.